name is Laurie Bowen. I graduated in 1983 with a BS in electrical engineering and computer science. I decided to come to Washington University primarily because one of my teachers went to Washington University and he always talked about the school and how great it was. I liked the school. I liked the reputation of the school. It's obviously a great university. After the first semester, I joined the engineering school and headed down the path of studying electrical engineering and computer science. In terms of how it felt to be a woman joining the engineering school, I'm 18 years old. I'm walking into a school where there are very few women. A lot of them aren't really taking you seriously. And so you do have to make sure you're putting your case forward about who you are, what you can do, how you do it. I worked for IBM for 2 summers, and then when I graduated, they offered me a full-time position in St. Louis, working in the technical sales area. They chose me because they had some very technical customers, and those customers didn't want your average salesperson. They wanted someone who really understood technology. So because I had the combination of the engineering experience and I had the experience of working in sales with them, so I had a bit of an extroverted personality, we managed to put those two together and it worked really well for me. After that period, British Telecom noticed me. There was an ex-boss of mine at IBM who became a very senior person at BT. And he said, she's the one who can actually fix our financial services business. It was a $500 million business, and there was no way I could turn that down. Problem solving for me was so fundamental to the engineering education and process, and it's exactly what you need to do as you get into those more senior executive positions. I became known for being not afraid of technology, willing to get into the detail of products and services and understanding them at a core level, being able to solve problems, fix things, fix businesses. But of course, all of that was on the foundation of I spent 20 years at IBM learning how to sell and growing businesses. I know from my work that we need so many more women in engineering. When it came time to look at how can I support the engineering school, I wanted to help a smart, talented female engineering student who may not be able to come to our school, but who qualified for it. Receiving the Alumni Achievement Award has been a tremendous honor. I was delighted to get the phone call, and really it was a big surprise for me. I spent most of my career thinking that I needed to do more, to be more, to achieve more. To have that award is a real sense of accomplishment for me. It's a great feeling, and I really appreciate what Washington University has brought to me.